Hi friends, I'm still your favorite crocheter, Rachel Chidimma. Today we are going to learn how to crochet these beautiful sandals. Let's go. So I'll be teaching just the front part, as in the front design. I've already taught on how to crochet this back design. So go check my channel. I've done it several times on my videos. So I'll just teach the front part. So I got my measurements from the first leg. You can see it. So I have two belts here on this particular crossing. Then this one I have just one belt. The challenge people are having on these crochet shoes is measurement. So don't skip any part of this video. So this particular pin now is for this belt. This particular back belt now. This one. Then this one is for this back joint belt. Then the front joint belt is for this. So that's how I got the other side. Yeah, we're starting with this belt. So I'll be working with these two. Yeah, so I'll start from here to end here, then here to end here. I'll be working with 4 black, size 9 black. You make your knot, then I'll start from here. So you work 25 chains. 25 chains. And I forgot to say we are working on size 40. We are working on size 40. So it starts with 25 chains. Yeah, you can see it. Then you fix here. So you're going to crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. You make a slip stitch, then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches on the sew. 1, 2. Then continue working on the 25 chains you made. Yeah, at the end, you work on the first 2 stitches of the sew. On the second stitch, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. So you work to the end. At the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Turn, skip 1 stitch. So continue until you work 2 rows. You can see it. So here we are going to add the white color. I've already crocheted on the first stitch. Then on the second stitch of the sew, you add the white color. So I'm using 3 size 12 white. Just watch out how I add the white. This is the second stitch of the sew. Then you drag the black to make it tight. then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. So you work 2 rows with white thread. You can see it. Then you work 1 row with black. You can see it. Then finish up 2 rows with white thread. Yeah, you can see it. Then we start with the next crossing. So we start with the first one. We are starting with white thread. So I will start from here. Make 27 chains to this place. 27 chains. You can see it. Then you make a slip stitch here. On the next stitch, you make a single crochet. Then you turn. So here we are going to work 1 row of single crochet. So skip the 2 stitches on the sew. Continue working on the 27 chains you made. Just 1 row to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So now we are going to add the black color. So we are going to make 2 rows of black color. You can see it here. Yeah, so we are going to make a separate belt. You can see it, but we are going to start direct from the next stitch of the sew. So we are going to make 13 chains. You can see it, 13 chains. Then count out 12 stitches. 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then start on the 13th stitch. So you work single crochet on the next 4 stitches. 2, 3, and 4. So we still have 12 stitches left this side. So we are going to make 13 chains. 3. So you work 13 chains. That's it. Then you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Then turn and skip the 2 stitches. Work 1 row with black. You can see it. Then finish up 2 rows with white color. Yeah, this is the final stage. You can see it. So please don't forget to subscribe and also share to your friends. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to crochet different types of crochet shoes and other crochet projects. Thank you. Bye.